Welcome to Microsoft 365 trainings. In this video, we'll discuss about alerts in list and library, and also we'll discuss how to manage the alerts and what is the advantage with the alerts. So for that, what I'm doing is I'm going back to any one of the list and I have a contacts list in which contains few of the contacts. We'll see what are the columns are available. Now in this we have only few columns. We'll try to go to another site so we can get a multiple columns when we get the alert. So I'm going back to the site contents again. Here we have few of the list and we'll select any one of the list and we'll try to create an alert in it, and then we'll see how it works. So we have electronics list, and what I'll do is I'll try to open the Outlook as well here, outlook.office.com. Here in this list we have a couple of items which is already created. And before creating an item, new item, so when we click this ellipsis, we can able to see an option name called alert me. When you click this alert me, it will open a window to create an alert in this list. In that we can able to pass a alert name, as well as we can able to select the criteria to send an alert. Okay, I think this list is not loaded completely. We'll try to click once again. When you click alert me, and it is trying to open a window, and it is saying that alert me when items change. And also we can able to create alert when a new item created as well. So for that, here the first option is name, the name which is already given like electronics. And if you want to add something, you can able to give that electronics alerts, and send alerts through the support user which is logged in, and which is myself here. And the delivery method is email, and we also have an option with the SMS as well, but for SMS, and we need to activate the service for that, but I don't have an SMS service, so that's why I'm not selecting this one. But email I have, so that's why send me alerts by email with the support@rishansolutions.com. We'll see that. And change type, here we have couple of options for change type. All changes, which means anything, maybe a new item created, or maybe an existing item modified, or maybe any item deleted, I want to get an alert, I can select this all changes. Or I only get an alert when a new item is created inside a SharePoint list, or I want to get an alert only existing items are modified or items are deleted. Anyone I want, like if the item deleted I want to get, I can choose this one. Or if a new item created I want to get, you can choose this one. Or otherwise all changes would be fine. And again we have another option also here saying that send alerts for these changes. The changes like send me an alert when anything changes, which means a new item is created, a new item is our existing item is updated, or existing item deleted. And also, for example, someone else changes an item. For example, I created an item, I modified an item, but I don't want to get an alert because I know that what I modified, and I just want to get a message if somebody modifies an item. So you can choose this one, someone else changes an item. The next option is someone else changes an item created by me. For example, I don't want to get an alert for all the items. I want to get an alert for my items itself. Like I created 10 items in the list which contains 1000 items, but I want to get an alert for those 10 items only if somebody else changed. So you can select this one. The last option is someone else changes an item which is modified by me, last modified by me, which means I have created items, or somebody created an item, but I modified a specific item, and after I modified, if someone is modifying that item, then I want to get an alert. Otherwise I don't want to get an alert. So based on your requirement you can choose these options, but I'll put anything changes. The last option is when to send an alert. Send notification immediately, which means if somebody modifier or somebody created, or I created an item, immediately I want to get an email, so you can go with this one. For example, in one list thousands of items are creating every day, but I don't want to get a thousand alerts. I want to get a single alert for the entire day. I want to see in the report, so you can go with the daily report, and daily report time also you will see here. And the last one is send a weekly summary. Like, I don't want to see an daily report for those items. I want to see weekly report only, so you can go with the send a weekly report. But here I'm just putting send notification immediately. So when we click OK, the alert will create inside this list, and even for creating an alert also you'll get an email. So we'll wait for a while, the email will come. Meanwhile, what I'll do is, we already created an alert in this list, so we'll try to create a new item here. So then we'll see the new item alert, and we'll try to update the existing item. Yeah, we got an email, we'll check that one. Now here I'm giving a title as alert test, and then company is Rishan Solutions, and product, I'll just put something called software, and model is ABC, and price is $1,300 or maybe 1,300 rupees. And we'll try to save this one. A new item is created, and if you go to this one, and here you can able to see you have successfully created an alert for electronics list. So the name is electronic alert, and which is a modern communication. You can able to see the address is no reply at sharepointonline.com, and you can able to see alert electronic alert has successfully have been added on modern communication. You'll receive alerts according to the delivery method which we selected, and time and criteria that were selected when the alert was created. And you can change this alert any point of time. So manage alerts also is available, we'll see that one a bit later. So we have created a new item, as well as we'll try to update the existing item as well. Now we have this one. Now I'll try to edit the existing item. Title, I'll put this one is 210, company is Sony, and product is laptop, and model will change to iOS 234, and price also will change from 50,000 to 67,000. And now this modification alert also will come soon. So when you click this one, you can able to see here the alert has been added here, the account which is created by support, and the timestamp you can able to see, the title you can able to see, and company you can able to see, products and models you can able to see, the price what we entered we are getting. And also we modified an item, so this item alert also will get. And meanwhile, we'll try to delete one more item here. So when you click this delete, it will go to recycle bin, but I'm expecting the deleted item alert will trigger, updated item will trigger. So meanwhile, it will take a couple of seconds to get an emails. Meanwhile, what we'll do is, how to manage the alerts we'll see. If you click this one, here we have an option named it as manage my alerts. If you hit this manage my alerts, it will open another window. Here we can able to see we have two different type of alerts are available inside this one. So one is electronics alert, another one is student data alert, which is created earlier. So this one we have created just now, and if you click this one, and it will show the same type of alert which we created. And the alert title you can able to see delivery method, email, and changes types are available. And the send alerts for these changes, when send alerts, these all options are available, all can be editable. You can able to edit whatever you like, and if you want to update the existing alert, you can able to do from here. So when you click OK, once you updated, the alert will update. Now we'll go to this email, and we have got this updated one with the electronic alert 18. 18 is the ID of the item, and title of the item. Now the user you can able to see title, company, and product, and so on. So this one is for the deletion. So deletion came first, and the updation is here. So we have updated the title from 21 to 210, which is edited, you can able to see, and model earlier, which is YO 42, now it's 234, which is edited, price also edited. Now you can able to see this information here. For deletion also you can get the alert, and this so and so item has been deleted, you'll get this type of alerts. So alerts will be helpful, or something like it is also in the real time scenario, like when you take any finance related things, or when you go to government projects, and if you're applied for something, and your application is modified, you'll get an alert. As well as if you do any transaction, which means if you transfer money from one account to another account, or if you try to withdraw money from the ATM machines, and you'll get an alerts, which is something like SMS, sometimes emails also. If you give your email into your bank, and bank also will send an emails to you when a transaction happens. So this way you can able to manage your alerts, and this type of alerts we can able to create using a flows as well. But here in this alert you cannot able to modify the template. This template you are not designed, which is designed by Microsoft, and which is coming directly to your email box. You don't have any control on this template. But if you want a control on the template, for example, if somebody did a transaction but you want to have a great look and feel email, so this alerts will not helpful to you. Alert only gives a out of the box email template. But if you want to have more more designed template, and you need to use MS flows, or some point of time SharePoint designer flows also, workflows also will help you to design the email body. But coming to this out of the box alerts, you cannot able to do anything on it. And if you want to delete any of the alerts which is created, here we have a delete selected alert option is available. And also we have came from the list. From here we have selected, and we have clicked on this manage my alerts. And the same manner, if you go back to site information, and from here we'll go to the site settings, and when we click this view all site settings, it will open the site settings page. In the site settings page also, under site administration, you can able to see an option name called user alerts. When we click this user alerts, it will also show a window here to select users. Now we only have support account, but when you are working with the sites in the real time, there you can able to see the multiple users who have alerts. For example, if I select this user, and when I click update, and it will show the alerts which is created to this user. This user contains two different type of alerts, and when you select this one, and when you click on it, and you only have a delete selected alerts. And if you try to select here, for example, if I am trying to open this one, I cannot able to open this one from here. So this one can able to update from the list where we are, and from there you can click that manage my alerts. From there only you can able to update the existing alerts. From here you can only able to delete the selected alerts. And this type of permissions will get only the people who have a full control on the site. Other users who have a read access, contribute, or edit access, they cannot able to delete the alerts which is created to the user. And we'll discuss about the permissions in the upcoming videos. Permissions plays a major role to handle these type of things. And finally, user alerts will help end users to create an alert when an item created or modified or deleted. And this is also used in the real time when you're working with a different type of domains. And we'll discuss about the permissions in the upcoming sessions.